In this video, I just want to give you an overview of all the strategies that we're going to go through in this manual trading playlist. And these strategies are standalone strategies, but they work exceptionally well when you use them in confluence with the other indicators that I use and understanding market structure. It basically always comes back to market structure and the candles. So if you can apply that in addition to these strategies, you'll have even greater results. And I just want to mention a little bit about color theory while we're here, just before we dive into the strategies itself. The reason I don't use red on my charts is because red is blood. Red is stop, as in the traffic lights, yeah? So your subconscious is programmed in to red, basically inciting fear or stop. Green is go at the traffic lights, yeah? Green is grass, it's growing up. Green are the leaves. So I don't mind having green. There's nothing subconsciously wrong with that. And I prefer looking at the dark screen with these grey candles. But obviously they can be a different color if I want to. And when I use EMAs and so forth, I always use colors that basically contrast generally or stand out. So I just wanted to get that out there so that you're fully aware of why I changed the colors. Um, it may not affect you. It helped me with trading. I actually treat it like a computer game, and it is the best strategy game you'll ever play because you're forever learning. You're always learning because the market's right and sometimes you're just wrong. So enough said about the color theory there. Now, let's just dive into some of the strategies I'm going to cover in these future videos so that you have an idea what to look forward to. EMA cross strategy, EMAs on how to use them to buy dips, EMAs in confluence with some other strategies. I'll go through range trading strategies, how I do it, pin bar strategy. I'll do what I call bargain hunting for a flash crash. There's this actual strategy that I deploy for that, and it works exceptionally well in high volatility markets. The 3-point strategy, the dual RSI strategy. There's a 50% RSI strategy as well. DCA entry with risk explained. So I'm going to have to go into deep detail here, how I do DCA entries on larger swing trades that take time. I'll talk about some advanced stuff here with higher leverage and explain how I use higher leverage and how I use it to take larger profits at the very start of the trade. And I only do that when I have very high confluence with multiple indicators, or I have a high understanding that it's a higher probability that it's going to play out in my favor. And there's multiple ways that I do that, and multiple. But it all suits always different market conditions, require different amounts of confluence. When you have a super trending market like we do at the moment, you don't need as much confluence with your trade setups. But when it's undecided and you're a little bit unsure, or it's just ranging, or it's close to going into a ranging market, at those pivots in time, you're going to need more confluence. Okay, so in this list of the manual trading stuff, I do want to note that the reason I got to where I was because I was very systematic about my trading in the beginning. And when I mean systematic, I mean like this. Okay, so this is a strategy that I have deployed, and you can see here that the average win is 18.87% and the average loss is 2.91%. And it's showing that the percentage profitable is 63.89. So we'll say 64% of the time, it's a winning trade. And I've used these system. This system was developed from my manual trading, which I implemented where I traded one strategy and just one strategy only for a bit over a year. And I did exceptionally well, and in my eyes. And since then, I've been able to obviously develop the systemation key so it can do it automated. But my manual trading is superior. Okay, so you can see here it works in uptrend and downtrend. And you'll notice there's not much red on the chart here at all. Okay, so this, believe it or not, back here was a little bit of a ranging market, but you can see because we're on the 2-hour time frame, it's still trending within that period. Firstly, I want to say I'm a trader more than I am a YouTuber. What I do want to show you is I'm on X and my trading name is just Luke's Trading Circus, same as the YouTube channel. And my handle is Luke Trades Today. I know it's a little bit cheesy, and it's meant to be because trading is like a circus. The way the algorithms push content out at you, they're all pulling on your emotions. You'll be seeing a lot of red thumbnails on YouTube, so to speak, when I'm most likely buying. Um, I post a lot of stuff on X. It's massively popular for the financial sector because of the news-driven information that you can receive from X is obviously a lot quicker than you get through, say, TV stations and so forth or radio. Basically, because it can give you that news-based information and so forth. So yeah, I put a lot of alpha, a lot of stuff that I'm doing on here on X. And yeah, I do post a lot of my trades. They are swing trades. I'm predominantly a swing trader. I do scalp, but I'm predominantly a swing trader. So you'll be able to see a lot of the stuff that I post, and I do put up what I'm expecting from the market in the foreseeable future. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I do put heaps up here. I did even put up my P&L. I do put up these P&Ls of the positions that I'm in. And I apologize. I don't do that to put it in your face. I do that to make it so you understand what a legitimate trader will do. A good trader has to do this because you have no other way of verifying that you know what you're doing. There's a lot of people out there, and it really grinds my gears when they're trying to give traders help and information when they're not good at trading, or they're just, if they were good at trading, they would be putting this information on there. Like, it's not dollar figures, it's just percentages, okay? It's just proving that you're putting your money where your mouth is. And I also put up the P&Ls from time to time just to prove it. I had a pretty good month in November, so I put it up. I was up 41%, and these are trades, get in, get out. So yes, that's just me with the market flow, but obviously year over year, I've done quite well. All this stuff, I also have back tested and stuff as well. So yeah, please, if you'd like to get more alpha on what I'm looking at and on what I'm doing in the market, you don't necessarily have to take the trades I'm trading. I'm not asking anyone to do that at all. I'm just saying you will potentially learn stuff. I do put TA information on the chart, and I do a lot of them. This is a prime example. So this one here, I posted at the time of entry, basically where I entered, had the stop placed and everything. And I'm just saying that in this specific case, in previous bull runs, these large wicks to the upside clear all the sell orders, and then we generally have continuation in a strong uptrend market. That's only in this market. That actually normally works in reverse. It's the opposite to what you think generally. And I've obviously written not financial advice, just observation from experience. If I'm wrong, I only lose 1%. Well, guess what? Wasn't wrong. Okay. So it happened in 8 hours. Like, just high volatility markets do this. And I do multiple of these a day for you. So again, it's Luke Trades Today. And I'm just doing this because I think that it's important that you can find traders online that will help you, and they're out there. They come with a lot of knowledge and experience and strategies, and they can definitely help. So, yep, please follow along, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Got a lot of videos planned.